Hi there guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes, we're back guys with another video.
With the banger.
Yes, we had another video.
Yeah guys, with another video. Countries that are dumping the US dollar.
Yes guys. I think there are 9 so far.
That's the news on the streets.
Yeah.
And there are 9 countries. Yeah, you are right.
They are leaving the dollar. Yeah.
They are de-dollarizing.
Yeah.
So yeah guys, those are the countries. I think one of them is India, obviously, China, Russia, obviously.
Yes.
Yeah, and so on and so forth. There are many others guys.
Syria, Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
So there are many guys.
Yeah.
They leaving the dollar.
And some of the countries as well have already started trading, trading using their own currency.
Yeah.
In terms like when they're buying oil, they use their own currency.
Yes. And the new, I think not new, the Kenya president that's just announced on one of the meetings that they were having that countries must stop using dollar to trade
amongst African countries. It just doesn't make sense.
Make sense.
While trading with your neighbor, you just have to convert your currency to the dollar and then trade using the dollar. He said that thing that makes sense is when you are buying something from US, then you can trade
using a dollar.
Then you can trade using a dollar. Yes, that's what he said. I felt it makes sense when he was saying it. All along we didn't think about it.
Because we also were clueless why it was happening also.
We don't know. And then I think Russia and Iran, they're starting that stable coin. They're working on it, the stable coin.
And what you will back with?
Yeah guys, it will be backed by the gold.
Yeah guys,
it will have something to fall on it guys, like way back in the past where the US dollar was backed by gold during that time.
They bringing it back.
Yeah, so the stable coin that they are working on will be backed by gold and silver guys.
That's true guys. And that dollar is not going anywhere.
No, dollar won't go anywhere guys. It'll still be around. It's just people will just shift away from it and start maybe looking into using their own currency to transact.
And those new currencies that they will develop along the way. They will think it's suitable for them.
They will feel it makes sense.
It makes sense to them.
So guys, the only solution to all this guys is just to prepare, position yourself as now guys, it is really happening. We've been saying it's going to happen. It is happening. So just position yourself.
And buy more
silver and gold. Precious metal in general. But I would say silver and gold. This is not financial advice, guys. Please, we're just having a talk
on the internet,
guys.
Not at all.
What's the question that we have for you guys?
I think you should just tell us on the comment below.
Where does South Africa stand, guys, in de-dollarizing? Where does it stand? Not South Africa, Africa in general. Where Africa stands in de-dollarizing, guys. Are they also dumping the US dollar? Or what? We want to hear from you.
What's happening with Africa and the dollar?
We just want to hear from you guys, your view, your point, what you've heard about it. Where does Africa stand when it comes to de-dollarizing, guys?
Because it's getting tougher now.
It is.
It's really getting tougher, and I think this couple of months it's gonna be more tougher. But you must just comment below. And tell us.
And which country has the most amount of gold? Just tell us which one you think has the most amount, whether it is paper or the real deal. Because that counts. That counts, guys. But we'll talk more on our
next video
about that. We just want to hear from comments what what you think, what you know about that one.
Yeah, that's true. Okay.
All right, we'd like to thank our
don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
We're going for 1,000. Don't forget to subscribe.
And that like button, it tells YouTube another story.
Yeah.
Please don't forget it, guys. Like button, subscribe, and the bell notification.
Yes, and thanking our subscribers.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks. Bye.